Okay, so let's imagine that we see a power of to the half. So one of our last rules was a to the b times by a to the c is equal to a to the b plus c. Okay, so let's imagine that we have 25 to the power of 1. Okay, if we have 25 to the power of 1, if we know that that 1 can be made of a b and a c, and let's say that these b and the c are the same, that would be a stays the same. So we're going to have 25 to the power of something times by 25 to the power of something. And I want them to add to 1. If I want these to be the same, then I'm going to put a half here. Okay, so just using our knowledge of what number multiplies by itself to get 25, I know that the number that fits in here is equal to 5. Okay, and so I got that number 5 by doing the square root of 25. So this is how it works. 25 to the power of half is equal to the square root of 25. Okay, so what if I had 25 to the power of a third? What we do instead is the cubic root. And again, if we had 25 to the 1/4, what we do is quartic root. So that's how it works. There's an invisible 2 here because that's just how square roots work. So the rule is a to the 1 over b is equal to the b root of the original number. So that's how that works.